Hello, I'm Michael from Floorsaver, and today I just wanted to talk to you about our waterproof roof paint. So, very simple product to use, comes ready mixed in the tin and ideal for patching and repairing or coating old worn roof surfaces. So that's for garages, sheds, roofing felt, corrugated products such as this one, anything like that. This will patch and repair and re-waterproof it for you. As I said, comes ready mixed in the tin, so you don't really need to do a lot with this one. Pop the lid and coat it on. But also, as you'll see with this one, this piece here, we've got a bit of damage, a bit of a hole that we need to repair first. Obviously the paint alone isn't going to quite fill that, so we've got a bit of a trick to deal with that first as well. So what I've done is just pour a little bit of the product into an empty tin here that I'm using, and I've got a bit of a sand additive here. So all I'm going to do is mix some sand additive in and stir that around to make a thick paste. Now the product's pretty thick already, it doesn't take a lot of mixing, but obviously that's just going to help us bridge any gaps. So then after that, all we need to do is brush that over the hole. And as you can see, that's covered the gap. So now all I need to do is go ahead and paint the rest of it. So as a thick solvent bitumen product, it's immediately waterproof. You can put this down in any temperatures above 0 degrees. Best to aim for 4 or 5 if you can and above, but anything over 0. And then of course, you can even use it in the pouring rain. So we've got quite a nice day today, thankfully, but if it was raining, it wouldn't matter. I can do this straight away and the product will still dry. It takes a few days to actually fully dry out. You're going to get a bit of a skin form on it first, but as long as you're not planning on walking on the area or need access to it, that's no problem. You can just let it dry. So I'm going to go ahead and paint the rest of this, and that is as simple as it is really. A nice thick coating all over. This is going to take me about 20 minutes, so I'll go ahead and do that, but thank you for watching.